This is how to use this wonderful app that I love called Coolors.co to quickly and easily generate web-friendly, aesthetically pleasing, beautiful color palettes. They have heaps of really fun starter palettes if you are just really new to doing branding or you quickly need to make a website and maybe the client doesn't already have brand colors and they just quickly need a website up. So this is a really, really great tool. So I've already got a premium account, but basically with the premium, you get some extra features. They do have apps for iOS and Android. And if you're a user interface or app designer, they actually work with Figma as well, which I think is awesome. And there's a Chrome extension. I don't use the Chrome extension that often. I'm just going to go through the actual web app here. So if we click on start the generator, you'll be able to see here what happens, and the magic is about to begin. So you get this beautiful screen, full screen of your colors. So here you can press the space bar and it'll just come up with something cool, which I love. You can take a photo and what have I got? Oh no, that's a photo of me. All right, here we go. And it'll pick a color palette image. So that's great. We can click onto here, shuffle that around a bit. Maybe I want the coffee color with a nice beige, or if you like your coffee black, we can probably, yeah, there you go. All right, so next we can save it, export it, or quickly view it. So quick view just gives you this really handy, thing. So you can actually quickly copy that and then X out of it if you just wanted that one color. And another cool thing you can do is just paste it straight in there. So if you only want one color from an image, this is a really quick way to do that. And then you can sort of lock that one in and say, all right, now press spacebar and that one stays. So if you really like a color, like, oh, I love that, I want to keep that one. And unlock it. No, don't like it anymore. I'll get rid of the black. Now, if you want to completely start from scratch, say you don't have a color code in mind as a starting point, you don't have an image to draw from, you're just looking for inspiration maybe, and shuffling them this way isn't really doing it for you, you can change the generate method. So this is actually really cool because you could choose monochromatic, which gives you different colors within the same shades, different shades of the same colors, sorry. I love these ones. Again, if you really want to keep it within the same family of color, complementary. So, that's kind of not aesthetically pleasing, but these aren't too bad. Oh, I like that with the pop of turquoise. So that's really nice. If I wanted to lock in that and see if it came up with some others that had a nice pop. Getting there. That's kind of nice. That's a nice palette. I enjoy that. So if I lock that one and that one in, I can actually change the generate method as well to add an extra, if I want just something a little bit different, here we go. There's a blue in there now. Maybe I want to have two different colors in here. Oh, yeah, cool. So you can add different colors based on the generate method. So we can unlock those and maybe I'll show you that split complementary from scratch. So this is kind of how it works. This would be really good if, for instance, you're a interior designer actually, and you're looking to get, if you've got brown floors or couches and you're looking to add some teal in there, or you want to use gold fittings and see how they'll look with different paint, this gives you a bit of an idea. So it's not just for graphics, which is what I wanted to sort of highlight as well. It can be really useful for all sorts of design. So you can also look at these ones. So it's just different generation modes, which I think is really fun if you want to get more adventurous. You can look at that. Otherwise, what have we got here? It may be a bit slow, but I love this. So this is the visualizer, and I use this actually as part of my creative process for client work because a lot of clients struggle even just to visualize how their designs are going to look once the colors are applied to whatever the context is that you're designing for them.